Bitcoin BTC bulls emerge, dollar struggles, focus on the risk of Powell's testimony. BTC, US dollar analysis, news. Short-term bullish Bitcoin view playing out. As noted yesterday, a false break below 40K could prompt a short-term bullish rebound in Bitcoin, which now looks to be taking shape. The view of being a short-term bull on Bitcoin had not only been predicated on a false break through 40K, but also, as I mentioned yesterday, that the hubris within the crypto community has faded somewhat, while the buy the dip crowd has also gone very quiet. As such, the focus is now on 45K, potentially stretching to 47-48K, which will need to support equities stabilizing. While on the flip side, my view is wrong should we close below 39K. Bitcoin chart, daily time frame. Source, Refinitiv. US dollar struggles despite increased Fed tightening bet. The move above 96 for the USD was brief, with the greenback failing to take advantage of markets pricing in an even more hawkish Federal. This perhaps may be a sign that positioning may be a worry for the greenback, and thus, if the USD struggles to rise on good news, maybe it is time to reduce exposure. A few factors to mention is that the US Citi surprise economic indicator is weakening, suggesting that the US data is missing expectation. Alongside this, in light of the rise in Treasury yields, US tech stocks have felt the brunt of this, prompting US equities to underperform in international counterparts. At the same time, with Fed hawkish bets near enough maxed out, given that a March hike is near enough fully priced, the USD may have little else to glean from Fed tightening bets, unless a fourth hike is priced in. That being said, today's major focus will be on Fed Chair Powell's testimony, where he stated in prepared remarks that the Fed will use the full suite of policy tools to prevent higher inflation from becoming entrenched, while also stating that the economy is expanding at its fastest pace in many years. USD versus US/Eurozone Citi surprise index spread. Source, Refinitiv.